Happy afternoon to all. My name is Asfa. I'm from grade 5. Today we are going to do a small activity of maths. Mathematics is all around us. Everything, whatever we measure, maths is in. Maths is whatever we measure, maths is involved. In maths, everything is in order. Today, now let's tell our BODMAS. A simple mathematics growing for helping students to deal the mathematics operation in order. Today we class 5 are presenting a small kit which deals the importance of BODMAS. Now let's welcome them.
Problems. My life is full of problems. Counting. Always counting. I am dull and boring with problems. My life is full of problems. Yo. Who are you? Why did you come here? I will introduce myself. I am Addition. I will increase the volume. Please don't avoid to me. Oh. I will introduce myself. I am Addition. I will increase the volume. Please don't avoid to me. Oh, okay. How to do? Tell me. First you take 3 and 8, 3 and 2. If you add these both numbers, answer is 5. Oh wow! With additions we can make many new numbers. Exactly. Oh, I am so happy. Please can you reduce my value? I can. Decrease your volume. Take number 2 and 3. Count between 2 and 3. Then your value will be 1. Hey, I ordered 2 BODMAS. So, dear friends, while going to maths, maths is all about methods. Repeated addition. I have 7 doors. When you went to a number, add the number again and again. I can make the calculation very easy. And when you call me dismiss shortcut, and then I am dismissed. I am the brother of multiplication. Yes, you means her new sequence. B for bracket, A for addition, O for off, S for subtraction, M for multiplication. More operation. Do you want for me? Wait. You can play with us according to a sequence like BODMAS. D for division, A for addition, M for multiplication, S for subtraction.
Hello everyone, I am Division. When you want to sure equal, I am into by a calculation. Easily friend, you can call me sure also.
Okay, stop. So many problems deal with what are problems? Oh dear, we can play with in order with numbers. Let's play. Oh, stop. Hi, hello. I am Bracket. My soul is to catch all the operations and cop keys in the box. Let's finish this. We cannot play for this. Attack. Oh, order. This is multiplication.
B for bracket.
B for brackets. B for brackets. O for off. D for division. B for brackets. O for off. D for division. A for addition. S for subtraction. One more operation. Do you want, dear? Wait. I will explain. Can you say order, dear?
We can play with us according to a sequence like BODMAS. B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction.
Problem, there is a solution. I hope there is a problem, there is a solution.